Every boy's dream is to create an aesthetic body, but everybody can achieve it. But after watching this video, you can also create it. If you are between 14 and 25 years old and are thinking of having a muscle build at home, then trust me guys. If you are seriously following my 5 exercises and tips in just 2 weeks, clear changes in your body. Whether you are skinny or a little fat, you can bring your body in an aesthetic shape, even without any equipment. And by the end of the video, you will get a proper workout plan that you can follow at Israeli home, as well as the most important, a simple diet plan. That is your results. First of all, you have to understand who the aesthetic body is. The slim body like Ronaldo, the muscular body like Shakib Gokale, or the perfect balanced body like David Lair. I thought. And now look at these 2 more photos. You might have put these slaves in the bi category and put them in the main category. But why is this a Bacchus of beard? Then look at these 2 photos. Both of them have nowhere beard. But still, you put one in the bi and one in the main category. Apart from the MATLAB beard, there are also things that make any man muscular and aesthetically pleasing, meaning a balanced body in which your form is defined. Body in which the abs are visible in a V-shape. And when you wear any dress, you show a sharp and strong man for which you need a full body exercise plan, and the same connoisseur in the next part. In the first 3 steps, you will unlock a full body exercise plan, and in the next 2 steps, the most important thing for your workout will be waste of time. I. Mindset and distraction control. So don't miss it. But first step number 1 is push-pull power. Look, full arms, white chest, strong shoulders, and perfect triceps. All of these play a huge role in creating an static physics, but for this you should know clearly which part of the exercise body builds. First comes push-ups, a basic, but super. Arms will be strong, and the core will also be tight. If you are a beginner, then start with new push-ups. After a little confidence comes, shift to normal push-ups. Then, as many reps as possible, but the form should be perfect. Then comes the incline push-ups. You can support it with a table bed or wall. This is the upper chests and shoulders and well-activated slow and control movement and last diamond push-ups. Put the hand in the diamond shape on the ground. Gives 3 sets of tri-crow slow control. Now speaks with a little flower movement, homemade play, fuck a little tough. But donut variety is a simple solution. A strong towel on the 3rd day. Both Han of the 3rd. You can easily groove it will target your back and biceps, and if the towel or handle is not set up, then try reverse table dips. It makes both triceps and upper back are active overall. Push and pull is important to balance both types of accessories so that body proportion remains maintained and your upper body looks well fitted. Step number. Here comes the most eye-catching part of the body, which is your physique. Aesthetic makes V-shape. These shapes do not just come from making abs. You core and have to work on upper body propositions, and don't worry all these. Talk about some effective core exercise, from the first lap to lay on flat surf. Take both luxury straight up and bring them down with control. It darkly targets lower abs. Do 3 sets. Do 10 to 15 reps in each set. 15 seconds. Plank it is a static exercise, but very powerful for the core. Hold the Yin 2 on the elbows. Put the back straight and start from 30 seconds in the beginning. Get into the 4th mountain climbers push-up position and take the luggage inside out in a fast pace. It also fits the ABS as well as the abs you will see then. Now the fat percentage will be low. With this core training, a little clean diet and light cardio are also necessary. So if you follow these exercises for 20 minutes from the daily 15, then your core will become strong and a sharper B in your body. Now let's talk about the lower body, which people often skimp, but without strong legs, your body is not complete. The lower body makes you power, stability, balance, all. So you body weight squats feet, KO shoulder width, take back hips. Go like, sit on the chair and then come back upstairs. This exercise your quads, glutes. And the Cubs work 3 sets of 15 reps. The second lunges, take 1 foot forward, dip the body while leaning down, then come back, then repeat from the other foot. It improves the luxury as well as the balance and the core stability. Come into the setting position by putting the 3rd wall seat back against the wall. Hold that position for 30 to 60 seconds. Your thighs will burn. And last, coffee rips, stand up straight on the toes, and then come down. It gives your coast ship and string. 3 sets base rips. All this exercise will be helpful for your poster endurance and fit loss. You will achieve a complete aesthetic body step. Number 4. Recovery Dot. The world's largest bodybuilder, and whoever has real knowledge of fitness. He always says the same thing, you just work out an hour in. It does not just make your body what you do for the rest of the 23 hours, and consistency and mindset. You also know the right workout to build a good body, and you are also following a good diet, but still will not get the result. Why answer simple is consistent. What do you eat? Your body is made of it. And this thing is 100% true. Why? 100% is true, but one of the major problems is that we lack proteins and nutrients in Indian meals. According to a study, 70% of the Indians, property proteins and neutrals, the most important nutrients for making proteins are simple home sources. Use eggs country. Sprouts pants also need carbs and fits for energy, so bread. Rice, fruits, nuts. Everybody meat balance. No need for extreme dieting. Just focus on clean and home-cooked food and a most important voter. Throughout the day, eat at least 3 to 4 liters of water, must drink hydration. Boosts your performance and recovery. Dado no. If you follow the right fast and smart diet with workout, your transformation will be fast and the results will be long-term. Not just lifting the dumbbell makes it from the discipline you show in your actions on a daily basis is the biggest caller of the mindset. Overthinking distractions and energy trainers. Listen carefully. Testosterone is a natural harmony that is super important for muscle building motivation and focus. But when you're stuck in repeated masturbation, or con, your testosterone starts to luff low. You fail low energy, laziness, and look of drive. Studies chord of frequency. Masturbation artificially speaks dopamine and kills real-life motivation. So if you're serious about taking your transformation, all these things have to be controlled. You have to make yourself strong at the mindset level, call discipline at the mindset level, make a super routine, and make it up to 21 days. Follow the mind is also strong when you become loyal to your words. Brother, if you want a dream physicist, you have to champion your brain with workout and diet. And always remember that constancy is the power mindset. If this video has helped you a little to move forward in life, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you want to completely change your life in the next 14 days, you will have to complete a 14-day challenge. But what will be his rules and what will you have to do? You can see everything I have explored in the video given on the screen by clicking, and yes, I will meet you there.